Hey guys, Trey Mathis here from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. Hey, glad to see everyone again. I want to thank everybody so much for supporting my last video. I appreciate it, the likes, the shares, all the above. Man, oh man, this year is exciting. This year is exciting for all those new people who just seeing this video, seeing Wi-Fi Entrepreneur for the very first time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to help you guys, what did we say last week? Become super rich, become super rich. Guys, if you missed my video last week, you want to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the videos on YouTube so you don't miss any more. You want to make sure if this is on Facebook, you want to make sure you're following us at the Wi-Fi Entrepreneur Facebook page, which is attached to this video as well. You don't want to miss any of this information, man. We are really, really, really excited about this year, and I'm really, really appreciative for you guys supporting me in this journey. It is another day. It's still the first week of January 2018. You guys see me, I'm still in I'm the Boss shirt. This is not the same day. I feel like this is my uniform. Being a Wi-Fi entrepreneur, being able to work from home, being able to make my own hours, my own schedule, my own plan, if you will. I feel like I'm the boss. So I figured it was fun to wear this shirt. But again, if you guys missed the last video, you want to make sure you go ahead and check it out because I gave away a free gift. That free gift is also in the link to this video as well. The Millionaire Book List, 44 pages of pure great information that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. Man, what happened since the last time we talked just a few days ago? Well, my wife came home and she kind of put me on the spot. She said she saw the video, which was great. I love it. And she asked me, she said, do I have an agenda for the videos? And I kind of caught me off guard, you know, do I have an agenda for the videos? That's a very good question. Well, not necessarily. I really don't. I feel like I look at this 2018 as a trip. You know, I know where we're going. I know where I want us to go. If you guys who stick with me in this journey, but I'm not 100% sure how we get there. It reminds me of this story. A few years back, about 3 years back, my wife and our in-laws, my in-laws rather, we took a trip to Colombia to see my brother-in-law. And what was funny was we were going off into the deep jungle, from Medellin off into the deep jungle. We were going to go see some howler monkeys, etc. What was interesting about this trip, it was 7 hours away from where we were in Medellin. And my brother-in-law, he doesn't do any of that GPS where they navigate to you how you go, turn left here, turn right there, etc. He just breaks out a map and he says, hey, this is where we're going. And we are here, this is where we're going. We're like, how are we gonna get there, you know? And he says, we just look at the map, we make a couple destination landmark goals where we say, hey, when we get to this town, we know, you know, we wanna start looking for the next town, and then we go to that next town, etc. What was incredible was that this trip, and I don't know if you guys ever been to Colombia, but this trip, all these curves and loops and up this hills, it was crazy. What was interesting is we kept second guessing whether or not, you know, are we doing it right? Are we going the right way? But boom, we'll see. We reached that town that we were looking for. And, you know, we may get turned off by, you know, road detours, etc. But we'll usually find our way back onto our path, and we'll get to the next town, and we go, oh man, here's the next town, man. Long story short, we made it to our destination. Believe it or not, we made it to our destination 30 minutes before the national park in which we were going to be staying at to see these howler monkeys were going to be closing. So it's pretty incredible, but it taught me a lot of things. And like I said before, I see this 2018, these videos almost as a journey. I know where we're going, and I do have some goals set along the way, and I know that if we hit those goals, we'll make it to our destination. So I really look forward to making it to the destination, to the end of 2018 together, guys, accomplishing our goals together. And it's one thing you guys can do to help us reach our destination much faster. And that is to identify your end goal. You know, it doesn't have to be anything super major. Just make it be something worth striving for. What is a goal that you can tie into to having your own business or earning income online? You know, what would additional $500 a month do for you and your household that you've generated from, you know, growing your passion, you know, playing with the things that you enjoy, and, you know, whatever that is. You know, we're going to talk about how you can launch any business successfully online here at Wi-Fi Entrepreneur Channel. So really and truly, it's about what it is that you guys desire. So for this first week of 2018, not only do I want you to grab this millionaire booklet so you can start to think about how this is possible for you, but I really want to focus in on what your goals are in this first week as well, because your goals are going to take you to the whole nother level. This video was a part of one of my goals for 2018. I hope to be able to be back in front of you guys real soon with another video, because that's another goal that I have to hit to meet my destination. So if you guys are going to be with me here at Wi-Fi Entrepreneur Channel, I ask that you do one thing. Please grab a notebook. This is my notebook. I love it. Grab a notebook, a pen, write in there a few goals. Something that you know, not resolutions, not something that you know, you say you're going to do and not going to do, but a goal that you want to put in front of yourself that will drive you each and every day, hour, week, month, whatever it is that your goals desire or need from you. Guys, go ahead and grab a pen, find your notebook, write down your goals. See you on the next video. Peace.